Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Pagination. Let's start coding. We are using nav tag for pagination too. Let's create a nav tag first. And we need to use UL and li in our nav tag and li. We also need to use a tag in the li. Let me copy and paste 4 more times. Let's make it a little bit wider. And let's add some text. Previous 1, 2, 3, and next. Let's save it and have a look at it without any class name. Doesn't look great as you see. So let's add our class name. Class Pagination and class for li page item. We need to add same class name for rest of LIs. And we also need to add another class name for a tag. Class page link. Let me make it a little bit wider. And we also need to add same class name for rest of a tags. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, it's looking great now. Let's have a look at another example. I want to copy that one. HR and paste it. I want to remove previous and next text and I want to use a sign. You can use some HTML code as a sign in your project. For example, that one. Or let me add another one for next. Let's save it and have a look at it. See guys, as a previous or next. So you can use sort of signs or icon in your project like this. Let's change position of our pagination. We just need to add another class name in our UL. Justify content center. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can make it center. Let me copy that one and paste one more time. Let's place our pagination end of page. Just need to change that one. Justify content end. Let's save it and have a look at it. See guys, you can use your pagination like this too. You can also use disabled class name for that paginations too. For example, let's make our previous as a disabled. We just need to add a class name which is disabled. Let's save it and have a look at it. See guys, for example, if there is no anymore previous page, we can make it that one disabled in our project. Same things we can use for next. Let me make it bigger to show it better. See guys, it's looking amazing. We will use all of those things in our projects. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.